In this video, I will show you the exact steps required to change the default font settings in CorelDRAW, so you never have to manually adjust your typeface every single time you start a new project. It is a very common frustration for designers when the software reverts back to a font they do not actually want to use, but fortunately, the fix is incredibly simple and only takes a few moments of your time. To get started with this process, the first thing you need to do is head over to the left-hand toolbar and select the text tool, which you can also quickly activate by pressing the F8 key on your keyboard. Now this next part is extremely important for this to work correctly, so please listen closely. Once you have the text tool selected, do not click anywhere on your drawing canvas. Your cursor should simply be floating over the workspace without having an active insertion point. While the tool is active but nothing is selected on the page, look up at the top property bar where you normally see your text options. From here, you can go ahead and change the font family, the weight, or the point size to whatever you want your new standard default to be. As soon as you make a selection, a Change Document Defaults dialog box will automatically pop up on your screen. This window is asking which types of text you want this change to apply to. You should check the box for artistic text if you want this to be the default for short headlines or single lines. Additionally, you should check the box for paragraph text if you want this to apply to large multi-line text blocks throughout your layout. You can certainly choose both options if you want total consistency. Once you have made your selections, simply click the OK button.